In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete education on LinkedIn. If you want to remove a school, course, or any education entry from your LinkedIn profile, the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. To begin, open LinkedIn and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main LinkedIn page, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on Me. This opens the account menu where you can access your personal profile and profile settings. From that drop-down menu, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile page where all of your public information is organized into sections like experience, education, skills, and more. If your profile is long, you may need to scroll a bit to find the section you want. Once you're on your profile, go to the Education section. This is where LinkedIn stores all the schools, universities, certifications, or academic programs you've added to your profile. At the top right of the Education section, click the pen icon. That Edit button lets you manage the entries listed there. After you click it, LinkedIn will show you the education items you've added. Find the specific education detail you want to remove, then click the pen icon next to that entry. This opens the editing screen for that individual education record. Now look toward the bottom left of that edit window or page and click Delete Education. LinkedIn may ask you to confirm the action, so if a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once you do that, the selected education entry will be removed from your profile. A quick tip before you delete anything: make sure you're removing the correct entry, especially if you have multiple schools or programs listed. Deleting an education record removes it from your profile, so it's a good idea to double-check the details before confirming. And that's all it takes. Just go to Me, choose View Profile, open your Education section, click the pen icon for the specific entry, and then select Delete Education at the bottom left. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your LinkedIn profile quickly and easily.